I wonder what I should do today. Gonna budge into Mawadishwe, the chairman. I wonder if he would meet with me. Make some calls, see if we can make that happen. And I think I'll see what I can learn about teamwork. Maybe I'll go down to the library and see if they have any good books. Well, we'll see what happens. Aha. Menugiji got noongum. Oh, just figured I'd come over here to the powwow grounds, come watch the dragonflies fly around. Baba Misse. Nimin Wendan. Chiminugiji got noongum. So I figured it'd be a good day to hang out outside, get some fresh air. Man, I can't wait till these stands are full of people again and dancers all up in the ring. I like the powwow time. But till then, I can just sit and enjoy the view. Nimin Wendan. But I suppose I got things I better do, so I better get on that. Just taking a minute out of my day to enjoy the beautiful sunshine. Nice day for a walk. Oh, Menogis, you got noon gum in the Baba Mose. See if I can get some work done today. And here I am about to go have a conversation with the chairman. Let's go meet him and see what he's got to say. Oh, bonjour. Is the chairman in? Oh, aha, bonjour.
Oh, nani kazoen.
Oh, bonjour. Miishidoone Dishnakaz. Gagina. Ani Nishnakazian.
So na basic man the shinikas.
Oh, how? Wayne Gidu Dame.
You guess it.
Oh, what? McGizzy Gidu Dame. Gawin Ingi Kinamasi Ndu Dame.
Oh, ni dash.
A munch. So, what is your job?
It's public man. I'm a chairman for Red Lake Nation.
Oh, a puppet with Nini na?
It's public.
Ish puppet, aha. And, what do you do?
In charge of all the council members, well, the officers anyway, and make sure our nation is going the right way as our Constitution mandates.
Oh, that sounds pretty complicated.
Yeah, but as long as we all work together as a council.
Oh, hear that? That's a good idea for you too. Working together really gets things done.
Yeah, working together is always hope.
Me quick. I like the sound of that. So, where do you live then?
Obashing, Panima.
Oh, wow, Obashing. Haven't been there since I was a little guy, me.
Anidesh.
Well, see, I don't got a car. My cousin don't let me use his car no more, so, yeah, I can't swim that far.
Well, hitchhike.
It's pretty dangerous.
There's a transit bus. You can pay $0.25 to get to Panima.
How come nobody told me? Oh, sir.
It's on a computer. If you got Facebook, you'll be able to find a ride with the transit.
Oh, I'll have to look into that. You're not transit. Oh. Is there anything else you'd like to say to our viewers?
Well, where are you going from here?
Oh, I'm going everywhere, me. Straight to the top.
Oh, you snap Gina.
Oh.
That's a good idea.
Except, I'm scared of heights. Shh.
Oh, Ninash, why are you scared of heights?
I was a little guy, and my cousin told me, made some cardboard wings. He said if I got on the roof and used them, I could fly. And yeah, that didn't turn out to be true. He tricked me.
You found out the hard way.
Ja, Ingi Chibungishin.
Oh, yeah, but so be modest. You're still alive.
Yeah. Oh. Well, it's been great talking with you, and maybe we can hang out again sometime.
You're so gigged. Yes, that sounds like a good idea.
Nun zoom ojanimiz nungum.
Ang gwamisan. Gawabamin me now. Take care and see you again.
Yeah, Bamampi Gigawabman.
I hope.
You're all set now?
Yeah, miigwech. Let's go over to the library, see if we can find any good books. Something to read on my downtime. Alright, the library. See if I can get some help learning to read. Oh, bonjour!
Bonjour. How can I help you today?
Hi, I was trying to learn how to read. I can read a little bit, but I need some practice. I was wondering if you had any books I could look at.
Yeah, we've got lots of great books in the library. Let's go check them out.
Alright, cool. Got some help here. Somebody's gonna help me look at some books.
So all these books in our rainbow bins here, those tend to be our easier to read books. Let's take a look at some of them.
Alright, let's see what we got.
Yeah. So let's see. In this bin, we've got books about dogs and this fun one. Well, Ladybug Hug.
Ooh, I think I'll check that one out to see if that...
Yeah, absolutely. Why don't I take care of this for you? I'll carry it up to the counter.
Thank you.
Do you want to look at any other books or you want to check out?
I think maybe one more would be good.
Yeah. It's a good time of year for baseball. Are you interested in learning about baseball?
Oh, yeah, I like baseball and I'm in Wayndon.
Great. Let's get these checked out for you.
Alright, cool. Let's go check this out. You mean I get to take them home with me in practice? I don't have to keep them here? Oh, awesome. And how long do I get to keep them for?
You get to take books for 3 weeks.
All right. Hear that? 3 weeks, we got to bring them back. Maybe you guys can help remind me.
Absolutely, we can.
All right.
Here you go.
Aha. I had a good day. Ingi Mawadishwe, the chairman, it was a pretty good visit with him. And then I went, checked out the library, Nanda Wabandan, Maznaiganan. Found a couple books I could practice reading. That should be good. Ganabaj inda Giwen, da Minakwen Anibish, Minawa Wisned, my dinner. Think I'll go home, have some tea and eat my dinner. Me dash Ganabaj inda Naba. Then I think I'll go to bed. Oh, I wonder what I'll be up to tomorrow. Anyway, we had fun today. Nimminawana goes Gina. Gigiminawana goes na Nungum. Alright, well, Gigawabman Wabong, Minonabag, Kinawia. Aha, Gigawabman.